Have you ever pondered over the mysteries of the universe? The secrets it holds within its infinite expanse? Today, we delve into one such mystery that has been the talk of the space community. In the year 2021, researchers noticed the dimming of a distant star known as ASASN 21QJ. This was no ordinary dimming, and it sparked a heightened interest among the scientific fraternity. As the mystery thickened, further examination of the area's infrared radiation was carried out, adding another layer to the enigma. A team of researchers led by Associate Professor Matthew Kenworthy from the Leiden Observatory in the Netherlands proposed an intriguing explanation. They suggested this unusual phenomenon was the result of a collision so intense that it produced enough heat for the infrared radiation and threw up enough dust to dim the star's light. This collision was no ordinary fender bender. The observations pointed towards a collision between two exoplanets with masses ranging from several to tens of times that of Earth. The aftermath of such a cataclysmic event would leave behind a hot, highly extended post-impact remnant, with enough luminosity to account for the infrared observations. The subsequent intricate eclipse of the host star would be caused by the transit of the impact debris, which the orbital motion would shear into a long cloud. But what happens to the colliding exoplanets? According to the researchers, the sheer force of the impact could very well obliterate both exoplanets. The kinetic energy of such an impact, for instance, between two half-Neptune mass bodies ranges from 10 to the power of 33 to 10 to the power of 34 joules. This is enough energy to vaporize the colliding bodies multiple times over. Planetary impacts are not anomalies. They are, in fact, seen as a hallmark of the early solar system, resulting in monumental events like the creation of our moon and the appearance of water on Earth. Instabilities in the orbits of gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn were the primary catalysts of these occurrences. Carl Mellis, an associate researcher at the Center for Astrophysics and Space Sciences at the University of California, lauds this study as unprecedented. He believes it brings fresh insight into the early evolution of planetary systems and worlds like our own. To sum it up, the mysterious dimming of the distant star. ASASN 21QJ in 2021 led researchers on a journey of discovery. Their investigations suggested a catastrophic collision between two exoplanets, which could have resulted in their complete destruction. The force of such an impact is immense, potentially leading to the vaporization of the colliding bodies. This study not only sheds light on the event itself, but also adds a new dimension to our understanding of the early evolution of planetary systems, making us ponder over the secrets our own solar system holds. In the vast expanse of the universe, there are countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled, countless stories waiting to be told. And as we delve deeper into these cosmic secrets, we inch closer to understanding the intricate tapestry of the cosmos. Click on like and subscribe to recommend our channel. But if you're keen to know when we release more videos, don't forget to click on that bell too.